Ah, smells like a rainy day breakfast. Chef Maya, do you need an assistant?
Yes, please, stir that batter well.
I'm on it. This will be perfect.
Great job! You've got a little something on your nose, Arjun.
Oh, really? Well, now it's your turn. Teamwork. These pancakes are amazing.
They are so fluffy.
Yummy! More berries, please!
It's nice and warm.
Perfect for a rainy day.
I'm glad we're here together. Here you go, buddy.
Kuda!
Good job, sweetie.
Papa!
Look at that happy face. Yes, you are. You're my happy baby. I love you so much. Your move.
Okay, here.
Not bad. My turn.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Victory!
All right, you win.
Yes!
Rematch?
This is my favorite place in the world.
Mine too, especially with you here.
I love you.
This soup is delicious.
It really is perfect for a rainy day.
Yeah! Yummy!
I'm glad.
And the little train chugged up the hill. Look at the beautiful flowers by the tracks. I love these quiet moments with you.
Me too. Being here with you makes everything better.
This is so peaceful.
It is. I love being here with you.
Look at all the stars tonight.
Wow, they're so bright!
It's magical out here.
So cozy.